Hello everyone and welcome back to another episode here at Ishan Edu. So let's dive right into this question right here regarding linear expressions. So in the equation above, C and D are constants and C is greater than 0. If the equation has infinitely many solutions, what is the value of C? Well, at first glance, this question may seem super complicated. There's two different variables. Should I use Desmos? And I get the confusion. But sometimes even the smallest and easiest of steps can lead you to the right direction. So let's take a look at this first expression right here. 48x plus 144 by 8. Right, so what I see right here is that this can be divisible by 8 and this can be simplified even further. Right, so what we're going to do currently is just we're simply going to reword this equation. We can do 6x plus 18, which simplifies it down, minus c by 15 equals dx minus 2d. Right, this is our full simplified version of the equation. Now, this is the step that most students miss and get the question wrong. You have to match the x coefficients because in the question itself, it says that the equation has infinitely many solutions, which means the left side and the right side must be identical. So the coefficient of the x's on both sides should also be identical. So we can take a look and compare both of the coefficients. 6x equals dx. Now they have to be the same, so cross out your x's, so that means d equals to 6. Now this is a very significant piece of information because this allows us to match the constant terms. So on the left side, what's left, you can cross out the 6 here, is 18 minus c by 15. And what's left on the right side is your negative 2d. And now, thanks to knowing the value of d, we can substitute that right here. Negative 2 times 6 equals to negative 12. So we can get the equation down to 18 minus c by 15 equals to negative 12. Now, all we have to do is solve for c. So we have negative c by 15 equals to negative 12 minus 18. So that leaves us with negative c by 15 equals to negative 30, and we can isolate c by multiplying by negative 15 on both sides. So that leaves us with c equals to negative 15 times negative 30, which finally leads to the value of 450. Right, so that is our final value for the constant c, which the question asks for. And even if you're paranoid, you can go ahead and plug this into Desmos and see if the equations and graphs match. So yeah, that is how you algebraically solve a linear expression. And thank you guys so much for watching, and make sure to leave a